To connect Zoho CRM to Zapier, follow these steps. Sign up or log into Zapier. Go to the Zapier website and log in or sign up for a Zapier account. Create a new Zap. In the Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap to start the process. Name your Zap. Select Zoho CRM as the trigger app. In the Trigger App search bar, type Zoho CRM and select it. Choose a trigger event, such as new lead or new deal, depending on the action you want to automate. Click Continue. Connect your Zoho CRM account. Click Sign into Zoho CRM to connect your Zoho account. Grant the necessary permissions to Zapier to access your Zoho CRM account. Set up the trigger. Choose the specific details for the trigger, like the pipeline or module you want to use. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Set up an action. Choose an action app to define what happens when the trigger occurs. Follow the prompts to set up the action. Activate your Zap. After testing your Zap, click Turn on Zap to activate it.